Today we're going to talk about measuring the economic value of the seller rating extension. The seller rating extension can be a great addition to your ads and is often considered an e-commerce SEM best practice. But implementing this extension takes a little extra work. In order to set up the seller rating extension on Google, you will need to link up with a third-party review software. Due to the investment required, managers should be prepared to defend their decisions to hire a review software by understanding the financial value of the seller rating extension. In this video, we will help you uncover the value that this extension holds for your business. This will come in handy when negotiating pricing with third-party vendors, or when defending this decision to your boss. Let's get started. What are seller rating extensions? The seller rating extension rates retailers on a 5-star scale. This rating is determined by aggregated business reviews and a variety of third-party review platforms. It can show alongside ads on Google, Google Shopping, and the Google Search Partner Network, and will automatically appear for advertisers with a 3.5-star rating or higher. This isn't the only star rating that appears on Google Search, though. To avoid confusion, let's look at a few examples of star ratings that are different from the seller rating extension. Types of star ratings on Google Search. Score ratings for local places. These are ratings generated from reviews left on Google My Business pages. For example, if you visit a restaurant and give it a 4-star review. Review snippets. Review snippets only appear on organic search results and are generated from reviews on landing pages, usually product reviews. Product ratings. Product ratings are only eligible to show on Google Shopping in select countries. These ratings are not specific to the retailer or advertiser. Because of this, retailers selling the same product may display the same sample of reviews. What is the value of the seller rating extension? Now that we have clarified what seller ratings are, let's determine what they are worth. To do this, we compared non-branded search ads with a seller rating compared to non-branded search ads served without the extension. For our experiment, we excluded product listing ads. Also, it is important to note that other extensions may have been eligible to show in addition to the seller rating extension. Here's what we found for one particular retailer. Click-through rate on ads with the seller rating extension was 107% greater than ads without it. Conversely, cost per click and cost per conversion weren't impacted significantly. Average cost per click for ads served with the extension was only 1% less than ads served without. Cost per conversion only improved by 2.2% for ads served with the extension. We also found that seller ratings only impacted 44% of non-branded impressions. So, what is the financial value of an 107% increase in click-through rate? Well, doubling your click-through rate could potentially lead to doubling click volume, given that the search demand does not waver. If revenue per click remains constant, then this could result in an 107% increase in revenue for impressions which were eligible to serve with a seller rating extension. How to determine the value of the seller rating extension for your business. To find the value this extension holds, you need to identify the impact of the extension within your own account. To do this, run the following scenarios using the Add Extension tab. Recreate these tables using your own data. For our example, we used data from the past 30 days, during which we served a total of 1 million non-branded impressions. For scenario 1, break performance into 2 segments: impressions served with a seller rating extension and those without. Scenario 2, forecast aggregate performance without seller rating extensions. This is the performance you expect normally without using the seller rating extension. For the client in this example, the 107% increase in click-through rate allowed for an additional 5,412 clicks at a cost of $4,495. Assuming revenue per click remains constant, this would yield a $23,000 lift in revenue. Finally, after COGS and VOH expenses, we are left with $4,493 in non-branded contribution. Since this heavily outweighs the expenses of their third-party review software, this has proven to be a highly profitable investment. Final takeaway: run these scenarios with your data. What was the incremental value of your seller rating extension? Was it enough to warrant the expense of a third-party review platform? If you have not yet signed up with one, ask for a free trial and then look at the numbers before negotiating pricing. If you run into trouble producing this analysis, reach out to speak to one of our analysts today and we'll help you out. Thanks for watching this video. For more digital marketing and e-commerce tips and tricks, check out Omnitail's other videos, and also take a look at the resource library on our website.